Hello guys, one more time trading live, you see, with my strategy number 25. Again, $800 in profit with 4 trades. So still if you want it, you can get it at pre-order price of only 79 euros. You see, it is valid still today, so more few hours. After it will be 179. So this is a strategy. This is not indicator, not expert advisor. Here you have possibility to learn, to trade as a pro. You can see here and in other few videos how it makes money, but I really cannot say about how to use it because it is my private strategy. When you buy it for only 79, you will get training video with this template. Believe me, if you learn it, and it's easy, even if you are very new trader, you will forget all other expert advisors indicators. So this is a fantastic possibility, opportunity for all of you which like to learn to trade. This is a trend trading system. You will find everything in a training video. Also, I'm offering a special one-to-one coaching, one-to-one with me. You will learn more. We'll trade together live if you need. Everything will be shown detailedly to you. So this session one-to-one is available still next week. I have only one spot left. So if you are interested, please contact me on my email below. So this is the first thing I'm offering today. The second thing is, and it is very huge, you will not believe, but I'm offering all my 25 products which are on the main home page. So click on my web page, and all what is here from latest new strategy and going down, different products, strategies, expert advisors, all together: reactor, scalper, trendy trader, X turbo, MS16, trend loss system, turbo circle, even the software, signal software service. Everything here, you see, it is all together. Altogether it is 25 products, expert advisors, indicators, strategies, softwares. So 25 products. So next 4 days, from today to Thursday. I know that many of you will be interested in this offer now, so listen carefully. All these guys, 25 products. You see engulfing, EA, turbo hybrid, trader, indicator, so trendy, trend lock system, MS16, this is MS16 if you don't know. So everything here is in a special bulk price. Omega Turbo Trader, everything. You see trendy trader, a reactor scalper, famous Turbo Plus, E-Scalper, Robo-Scalper, Rubicon, V20 Plus Trader, Inside Bar System, Shadow, latest strategies, indicators, 100 pips, latest Omega Turbo, FE Scalper, very latest product. Forex Discovery, and this included too. So 25 different products, EAs, indicators, everything. And you will not believe, you will get it all together, 25. My best, and this is the 90% of all I made, 25 these products for only 49 euros. All 25. So in average, if you want to know what is the average price of each one, so each one in average you will pay 13.90 euro is for one. So 13 euros, I will put it on 13.90 is one product. Of course, if you buy all, only then. So all 25 products will cost you 300, I was making a mistake, 347. All 25 products. And guys, you will get unlimited number of licenses. So if you want 5 licenses, you will give 5. If you want 10, I will give you 10. If you want 100, I will give you 100 licenses for each of these products. So 347 for 25 products, which you see here, all included. With unlimited number of licenses. You know that usually here when you buy one, for example, you get only 2 licenses. Only 2. Omega Turbo Trader itself, it's only 289. This is the offer, which is valid 4 days, or for the first 10 people which will come. So first come, first served. Maybe this offer will be sold out today. But if not today, maximum 4 days, you will have possibility. So 25 products, which you see here, and plus, I forgot to say, because it is not here, 25 and plus binary reaper, which you see in live trade. So it is 26 products, guys. It is 25 plus binary reaper plus this. So 26. So one will cost you about 13 euros. I think it is fantastic possibility. Also because you will get unlimited number of licenses. So you can use it on all demo accounts, all live accounts, all brokers you have. Of course, you will give me the numbers of your brokers and I will make licenses for any number you like. It is a lot of job to do for me, but okay, this is only these 4 days, today, tomorrow, and until the end of the week. Or, guys, first 10 people that will come, 26 products, 347 euros. 347 euros for 26 products and unlimited number of licenses. Guys, this is a special bulk offer, the best I give in last 10 years. So more than 10 years. I started about 12 years ago, but I didn't make such a great bulk offer until today. So you just go to my web page, all products you will see on a home page here. So click home, all 25 plus binary reaper, which you see live here. 26 products, 347 euros only, all together, plus unlimited number of licenses. If you need 1, 3, 5, 10, I will make it for you. So guys, for the first 10 people, or maximum next 3.5 days, because today is already over. So today, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Have a nice day and see you. Bye bye.